See, when you buying big rims, you record? Oh, you gotta edit that out. When you buying big rims and shit, you gotta turn wide. I just mounted these big boy 28s on this Fusion. First in the world to do it. I'll show y'all the setup when I see I gotta stop. You know, you see the big rims, you know I can't stop on the dime. Okay. Let's see the lady looking too. When you on big wheels, everybody look at you. Old people shake their head. I'll give y'all a little glimpse. I'm finna go swerve on this little Fusion, these little ass rims on it. They need to put their shit up. It's time. What the fuck? That little piece of shit. I'm gonna bag in. Little piece of shit. I'm gonna show y'all my shit. Show you how I'm really living. Little ass rims. I'm running the scrub. Get out of it. Show y'all the. Okay. I ain't know the bitch had rim sensor on it. Okay. Get out and let y'all see these rims. Are you recording? Yeah, big boy rims, y'all. Yeah. Big 28s.